Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another video at Okie Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, we have got rain in places we shouldn't have rain. It has done nothing but rain for the last couple days. And on top of that, we had all that sleet that was here finally melted off. So it's just this creek back here behind me that I'm about to go look at doesn't normally have water in it. It's kind of like a wet weather creek, but I'm gonna go take a look at it because this area back here is where my bucks are gonna be at, and I don't want it to hold water and stuff like that in the summertime. You know, mosquitoes, gnats, stuff like that can bite them and give them viruses and different kind of sicknesses. I don't want that, so I'm gonna come up here, look around, see where the water's at, and see where the water's at, and I'm going to see how long it takes to go back down. And I'm not sure if I can cross this creek or not, but I'm going to give it a shot. And then I'll get with you guys about this government mandate that they're trying to push on us here in Oklahoma. It's actually, whoa, did you see that? It's actually U.S. wide, and I'm going to tell you what we're doing about it here in Oklahoma. Pretty cool little waterfall right here. Wonder what kind of creature hole this is. What do you guys think? What could be living in that? It's an old stump that's hollowed out up underneath it. That's pretty cool. You can see they've been using it. Alright, y'all think I can make it across there without falling? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Got it. Now I gotta make this little jump here. Oh, that's super soft. So we should be safe up here on this hill. It's really rocky up here. Everything's flowing down. But I'm gonna get up here on top and take a look, and I'll go over all the details with you guys, so don't go anywhere. This is up here where the kiddos had that snake out the other day. For some of you guys that are returning from the video that I did with Dutch. I think this is going to be perfect up here for the deer. Perfect. Kind of a little natural habitat, you can see. There's enough cover, but it's also relatively open as well. See the house back there? There's not a ton of woods here, but there's enough. Alright guys, so back to this government mandate. Some of you guys may have heard what they're doing with the AR pew-pews, bang-bangs. Got to be careful what you say here. As you know, they are trying to control everything, so I don't want them to control this video. So if you have one, a short one with a brace, a pistol, they now say you have to register it. or you have to destroy it, or you have to turn it in. And oh, by the way, if you don't register it within 120 days, you have to pay a $200 fee. How about that? So they okay it for people to purchase. People purchase it, and then now it's illegal unless you have a permit for it, unless you register it. And the squirrel up there. So I don't get all this overreach stuff. Like, we have rights. The American people have rights. You can't come at us with, you know, attacking them, making us pay for them with all these fees that you want to do, or these registrations. No, we're not doing it. We're not going to comply. So quit asking. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but that's how I feel about it. My Second Amendment rights are very important to me. So would I need one of those type of guns? Probably not. Should I be able to get one if I want? Absolutely. Should I have to have permission from the government to purchase something like that? No, I should not. In my opinion. But in my opinion, it's another government overreach, trying to make money, trying to control you any way possible. And y'all know I don't like it. So now my rant's over. I gotta go check on the animals, because like I said, it's been raining. We got, look at this. This is the property line here. I've lived on this property my whole life, and I've never seen it flow like this much. You can see all the way back up to the house. I wanted to dig this out right here for a pond. See the top of the hill there drops down, dig it about right there. Dig all this bottom out and dam it off right here to make a pond. But my mom doesn't think that would work. She said they tried a long time ago right here. My grandpa Buck did, and it didn't work. But so this fence, I'm going to run into some issues right here with the fence, obviously. I'll probably, I don't know if you can make that out down there. It's got some bigger squared, like field fence on bottom there, so the water can flow through. I'm just going to have to make sure that stays cleaned out. And then I got this big old pile right here. That is kind of a junk pile, a dump pile that we had. So if you guys can see behind me, this was a big old junk pile, this is dump. When we moved in here, some of you guys know the story, some of y'all don't. This property's been in my family, gosh, a long time. There's from the 50s at least, early 1900s, more like. But when they built the cellar up there, I found my dad's and my grandpa's and my dad's cousin, my grandma's, all their initials in the concrete where they poured it. They etched, you know how you get a little stick and you put your, so that was really cool. But through the years after my grandpa died, some other people moved in and did not believe in a trash service or anything like that. So the property was just, it looked like a landfill when we got the property back. Some of you locals may know, you know where we live. You drove by and seen it. We still got a long ways to go, but it is so much better than it was. But we pretty much had to take off the whole top of the property and pushed it back here. Along with other just bigger junk that we had to haul back here. So I gotta get some dumpsters and get that taken care of, moved out, and then yeah, it's gonna be go time. All right, I gotta figure out how to get back across this creek, because the animals are off over yonder. You guys think I can jump this creek? You guys think I can jump this creek? I know some of y'all thinking, Bo, man, don't try to jump this creek. But you know how far down that log is? I'm gonna try to jump this creek. Ugh. Man. So much wider when you get closer. Hey. I can't jump this creek. I don't know what I was thinking. Alright, now I gotta walk all the way back down here and try to get back on that log, which I jumped off of to begin with, if y'all remember. So, but while I'm walking, once again, I'd like to thank everyone that came over from Dutch and checked out our channel. Or if you're new, checking out this channel, I'd like to thank you guys for clicking on this video. And hopefully you like what you see. Hopefully you subscribe. Hope you follow us on this journey of self-sufficiency and just homesteading. So we got this deer coming along. It's going to be so cool. So hopefully y'all hang out for the ride. Now I think I can jump right here. I think I could do it right here. See that right there? I gotta get over there. Ready? Here we go. Oh man, that's soft. Okay, I better get a step at this. All right, here we go. Yeah, don't mind that grunting though. Boy getting old. All right, Huddy's taking a nap. I'm gonna go inside real quick, check on him. If he's still asleep, we'll go to the animals. If he's not, you guys will get to see Huddy. So, we'll be right back. Well, Huddy's still asleep, so I'm gonna get a little bit of feed here. Get Dixie and MJ some dinner. I'm coming. Tom Brady and Gronkowski's happy to see me. Got some feed dust in me. Breathe in. So how many of y'all are gonna make this Okie Expo event? Oh, what's up, Thor, buddy? What's up, buddy? Come on. How many of y'all gonna make this Okie Expo, Okie Homesteading Expo event? We will be there. We look forward to meeting some of you guys, some of you new people that we haven't met before, and also some of y'all we've seen last year. It's always good to reconnect with people and share more stories that happened throughout the year when we didn't get to see you guys. So we look forward to seeing everyone there. We hope y'all show up. It's gonna be a great time. Last year was just amazing, and it was year one. So, year two, we have very high hopes. They got some new speakers coming in that weren't there last year. I'm really excited about. It's always going to be good to, see Daniel again, see Colby, and see the crew. So, never met Doug and Stacy. Be cool to see them. Gonna be cool to see Dusty again, Cross Timber Bison, and oh, what's up, buddy? Oh, Thor. Oh, whoa, buddy. Yeah. Oh, don't knock me down now. You're a big old baby. Oh my gosh. Whoa, easy. Oh my God, did you? He tried to kill me. No, don't jump on me. He tried to kill me. Torsky, isn't me, buddy? Yeah. Let's go check on the birds. Nope, don't jump on me. Let's go check on the birds. Fired up. I just put all that stuff down. And look, they already got all this just muddy. We've got a few eggs sticking out over there. Nuggets. We're gonna save them eggs for the kids when they get home, because it's always good for kids to have chores, for kids to have something to do, for kids to have responsibility. If you agree, smash that like button and drop a comment and let us know you agree. So I won't today, but next time. Whoa, buddy. You just got my overalls all dirty. Sit down, buddy. No, sit. Good boy. Don't jump on me. You're going to get me all dirty. Now be a good boy. Don't show off. So like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by Thor, my water trough is going on me. I need to plug these here. But hey guys, that's all I got on today's video. If you like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel at Morehead Homestead, you guys know what to do. Like this video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos that's coming up. We can't wait to get to know all you new people, all you new folks. And let us know if you guys are going to be at the Okie Homestead Expo. We really look forward to seeing you guys, and we cannot wait. Thanks for watching. Till next time, God bless.